Hey guys, here are 5 car accessories that you need in 2026, and I'll tell you why. Let's start with number 5, a portable tire inflator. This saves you from waiting for roadside assistance during a flat or a slow leak.
We're gonna fill up this tire. It is completely deflated. Once we get the hose out, we will attach it to the top of the machine here, to the air pump, and then we will attach it to the car here.
They usually include a built-in emergency light, fast USB charging for your phone, and a whole lot of adapters for everything like basketballs, beach balls, bike tires, scooter tires, and of course, your car tires, which is most important.
So it's just a quick way to get that PSI where you need it for whatever you're working on.
And guess what? It gives you control when you go on road trips, long commutes, or even late night emergencies. We have on the list for number 4, a magnetic phone mount. It keeps your phone visible for navigation, without taking your hands off the wheel. And it prevents your phone from sliding around or becoming distracted and having to reach over and pick up your phone.
Pop it on your windshield. I mean, it's made for the car, but you can also put this on like a mirror at home or a window at home.
For the one I'm recommending here, it's super simple. Just place it on your windshield, twist the knob to lock it in the suction, and it's rock solid. You can use it on pretty much any smooth surface, even around the house. Overall, it's a super versatile little tool that just works, guys. It just makes driving safer by keeping it right in front of you. Number 3 on the list, we have a dash cam. It provides video evidence during accidents or disputes, protecting you legally. That's very important. I'll leave the link to my favorite dash cam in the description below. It helps with insurance claims by showing exactly what happened. And it captures unexpected moments, guys, from road trips to parking lot incidents. And, most importantly, for hit and runs, I think you'd want to capture all of that too. So a dash cam comes in clutch. Number 2 on the list, guys, we have ceramic spray, or like a quick detailer. It adds shine and protection in minutes, no full detail needed, and it repels water and dirt, making your car easier to clean.
So really, look, this is not rocket science, right? You're just gonna basically, on a cool, dry surface, you're gonna wanna go ahead and spray it on, low ply microfiber to apply it, and then a high ply, very plush microfiber to go ahead and buff it off. That's all we're gonna have to do.
I recommend Griot 3-in-1 Spray Wax. It's advertised to deliver up to a year of protection. And based on real-world community testing, that claim holds up surprisingly well. Well, at least when you go in with realistic expectations. It's a simple, reliable choice for anyone who wants a long-lasting shine without the hassle, and most importantly, it helps preserve your paint and clear coat over time. Number 1 on the list, guys, we have the portable jump starter. It gets your car running again without needing another vehicle. It also prevents you from being stranded or in inconvenient places.
I recommend you get a mobile jump starter the next time your car battery dies, and here's how to use this one. The first thing you want to do is plug in your jump starter cable adapter to the power bank. The next step is obvious. You plug the positive clamp to the positive terminal, the negative clamp to the negative terminal, and start the engine up.
And it's safer than traditional jumper cables. It even works if you're alone. And finally, guys, here's a bonus one for you that you may need in 2026, and I'm sure you'll get it. It's the LED interior lighting kit. It instantly modernizes your cabin with a premium ambient look, and it improves nighttime visibility inside the car without being harsh or distracting. And it also lets you personalize your interior to match your mood or your style. Those are the top 5 accessories that you may need in 2026. And if you want more, please subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.